Hello traders. This is Team Tembi once again from Liontroop Global Associates. We're currently looking at USDCAD on the weekly. So as you know by now, we use what we call the TLS method when we trade. We focus on the trend, levels, and signals. So we use the TLS method as our foundation to get our trades. So it's more like a template. So now, let's look at the left side of this chart. And as you can see, ever since we hit 129,000, prices have been falling. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of bearish pressure. However, it seems like we caught support once again here, and we're currently going higher. This is just a pullback. The market is always going in two phases. We have a push and a pullback. So we had a push. Now we're currently having a pullback in order for us to continue going lower. So now, as you can see, our bias is bearish on this chart. We have bearish pressure. So now, let's go on to the daily to now look for trade setups. Since we have a bearish bias, we have dealt with our T, which means trend. Now let's look at our price action, support and resistance levels. In this case, we're looking at our resistance levels. So 126,863, I'm sorry about that, is our monthly resistance level. It has a shape around it, the blue shape. Now, looking at this, we failed to break above. This candle right here shows that the market has been up there, but then it failed to break above. Why? There was a whole lot of sellers pushing the market lower before it closed on Friday. And to just add more confidence to that, we can use what we call a Fibonacci retracement tool. And there we go. So from our point here, this is our A point, B. Now we're looking at our C. So this is the area of confluence. It gives us direction as to where price is likely to go from here. And as you can see, we failed to break above our monthly resistance level, and we failed to break above our 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone. And we produced a signal. So we have our trend, which is bearish. We have our level of support and resistance, which is this monthly resistance level. And we're looking at our resistance, our trigger right now, which is our signal. We produced a bearish pin bar right here. This is a bearish pin bar. It shows that the buyers failed. They failed the battle, and the sellers were hammering this market lower. So we wouldn't be surprised to see this melting until 121, as long as we are able to break below this daily support level. So 121 is our target from here. Peace out, testing the trader. I love you all. Liontroop Global Associates.